Hey guys, so the Xiaomi Mi 11 is now official. This not only comes with latest flagship CPU but also with some mind-blowing specifications and design changes. So the overall smartphone is a huge upgrade over the Xiaomi Mi 10, like in terms of design, in terms of camera, and also in terms of the performance. The display itself has been upgraded to 1440p and this is a 120Hz refresh rate Super AMOLED display. Shocking part is it has 480Hz touch sampling rate, 515 pixel per inch and 1500 nits of peak brightness, which is mind-blowing. So this is an insane display specifications. On paper it is way better than the display specs of Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. The front design has quad curved display, means curve from 4 sides. You can see it looks beautiful, and there's a punch hole on top left corner which is now way smaller than the one in the Xiaomi Mi 10. The exciting feature is the protection, which is now Gorilla Glass 7 Victus, which is like 2x better in terms of not shattering and 1.5x better in terms of not getting scratches. Some internal changes are latest Snapdragon 888 CPU, which is in itself is a huge upgrade. 25% faster CPU and 35% faster GPU. The silicon is based on 5nm process, so it's fast, saves battery and performs really good. Along with this, Xiaomi has done some software changes to make it faster. The MIUI 12.5 comes with exciting new features and changes. Xiaomi is using the high-end LPDDR5 RAM, and all I can say is it has the highest end performance features on any flagship right now. Now Xiaomi Mi 11 comes with a 4600 mAh battery, but it is going to give you more SOT than the Mi 10 with 4780 mAh battery. And the reason is the new flagship CPU. It's way power efficient and the battery consumption is not that high. We have 50 watts of wireless charging, which is impressive, and 55 watts of fast wired charging. But there's a catch. The catch is it's your wish to pick the box with charger. Without one, this won't cost you any extra money in the first sale, so an amazing move by Xiaomi. Xiaomi has joined hands with Harman Kardon for sound tuning, and there are stereo speakers, one on top and one on bottom, so yeah, sound quality is gonna be amazing for sure. The Mi 10 had an amazing sound and this one is gonna be awesome. Now the back design has squarish circular camera with a 108 megapixel main lens, 13 megapixel super wide angle and 5 megapixel telephoto plus macro camera. Xiaomi has not only done some changes in the photography but also in the videography. This one can now shoot amazing videos and images in low lighting condition. Here are some camera samples and video samples and you can see the magic done here. They have also added tons of new features like HEIF aka high compression, which can reduce the file size, cinematic mode, professional mode in videography and movie framing. So yeah, some exciting features and changes in the camera department. So yeah, the overall specifications are impressive. We have some exciting color options like white, black and blue, some special edition leather finish in purple and orange. Finally, this most exciting special edition with 3D texture, and this one looks really impressive. The Xiaomi Mi 11 starts at 3999 yuan, which is $611 US and 44,000 INR. This for base 8/128 gigs variant, and yeah, this pricing goes all the way to 5,000 plus yuan for special edition and highest RAM variant. So this all guys, thanks so much for watching. Like, subscribe, and I'll meet you guys in the next one. Peace out.